Hello and welcome to Story Underline. Today we'll talk about major rivers of India. उसमें से हम देखेंगे गंगा रिवर सिस्टम. The Ganga river system outspreads in India, Tibet, Nepal, and Bangladesh. It is the largest river system in India. It includes several perennial rivers and non-perennial rivers जो साल भर चलते हैं और जो seasonally चलते हैं. It is considered holy by Hindus and worshipped as goddess Ganga in Hinduism. It covers various states like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, and Union Territory of Delhi. Ganga is formed from 6 head streams and their 5 confluences. River Ganga actually starts from place called Devprayag, where 2 rivers, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda joins and River Ganga is born. Let's talk about Bhagirathi. It originates from Gaumukh near Gangotri Glacier, Uttarakhand. It lies near Chaukhamba Peak in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. It is considered largest glacier in the Himalayas and it is called the source stream of river Ganga. Tehri Dam, which is highest dam in India, which is hydroelectric power plant, is built in Bhagirathi River. It finally empties into Bay of Bengal. Talking about Alaknanda, it rises at the confluence and feet of Satopant and Bhagirathi glaciers in Uttarakhand. Its main tributaries are Mandakini, Nandakini, Pindar, and Dhauliganga. It is considered head stream of the Ganga river. It crosses Badrinath and reaches Vishnuprayag, forming Panchprayag, which is 5 sacred rivers confluence which are considered holy sacred places of Hindu religion. Badrinath and the natural spring called Tapt Kund lie along the banks of Alaknanda river. Talking about Panchprayag, first one which is Vishnuprayag, where river Alaknanda meet Dhauliganga, originating in Nanda Devi National Park. It is first of Panchprayag. Second is Nandprayag, where river Nandakini river joins Alaknanda river. The third Prayag, known as Karnprayag, where Pindar river joins Alaknanda river. Fourth one, that is Rudraprayag, where Mandakini river joins the Alaknanda river. Devprayag, where Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river joins to form river Ganga. From Devprayag, the river is called river Ganga. Further, it flows through Uttarakhand and UP border, crosses Kanpur in UP, then to Prayagraj, also known as Allahabad, where Mahakumbh Mela takes place every 12 years. The place is also famous because 3 rivers, that is river Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, form Triveni Sangam, which is considered sacred place for Hindus. Yamuna is the westernmost tributary of river Ganga. The river then crosses Mirzapur, then Varanasi, Ghazipur and enters state of Bihar. After entering Bihar, it then enters Jharkhand, then Bengal. The river now becomes a distributary at Farakka Barrage, built in 1975 to divert water from Ganga river. One channel flows through West Bengal as Hooghly Bhagirathi river, reaching Haldia, Midnapur district and empties into Bay of Bengal near Sagar Island, while the other channel flows through Bangladesh as Padma river. Important right bank tributaries. ट्रिक है यशोदा का पुत्र चंदन, यमुना, सोन, दामोदर, करमनासा, पुनपुन एंड चंदन रिवर. बात करते हैं यमुना रिवर की, also known as Jamuna. The source lies in Yamunotri Glacier, west of Gangotri Glacier. Here Bhagirathi originates. Flows through Uttarakhand Himachal Pradesh border and exits Himalayan foothills and enters into Indo-Gangetic plains and flows along northwestern border of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. It enters Delhi and it gets polluted due to discharge of wastewater. It then heads towards Noida, Uttar Pradesh, reaches Mathura and then enters Agra, where Taj Mahal is situated at the river bank of river Yamuna. Chambal River meets Yamuna at Etawah district, UP. It is later joined by Sindh, Betwa and Kain, reaches Prayagraj, Allahabad and the river Yamuna joins Ganga and becomes tributary of river Ganga. The second right bank tributary, that is Son River, originates in Amarkantak in MP and Chhattisgarh border, flows through Chhattisgarh and MP, and on its move, it encompasses Bal Sagar Dam. It is multi-purpose river valley project. It is later joined by Banas River, then Gopad, Rihand, and Kanhar River. It flows east, reaching Chai Junction area of UP, Jharkhand, and Bihar. The Koel River then joins the Son River, reaching Patna, where it finally joins the Ganga River. The third right bank tributary, that is Damodar River, it originates near Latehar district of central Jharkhand, flows east reaching Bokaro, and enters West Bengal passing through Aransol and Durgapur and meets river Hooghly. बात करते हैं लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज की. सो ट्रिक है, राम ने गोमत में घाघरा पहनकर गंदा डांस किया. कोसों से लोग देखने आए क्योंकि वो महान आदमी है. निमोनिक पे मत जाइए, आपको याद करना ज्यादा जरूरी है. रामगंगा, गोमती, घाघरा, गंडक, कोसी and Mahananda. Ramganga, which originates in southern slopes of Dudha-Toli Hills in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, flows through the Doon Valley of Corbett National Park. There is a dam built across Ramganga at Kalaghar. It finally meets the Ganga near Kannauj. The second river, that is river Gomti, it originates from Gomattal near Madhotanda, Pilibhit in UP. At the Sangam of Gomti and Ganga, the famous Markandeya Mahadev temple is situated. The most important tributary of river Gomti is Sai River. The third river, that is Ghaghra River, it originates in rivers of Mapchungo, also known as Karnali River. It joins Ganga at Chhapra in Bihar. The next river is river Gandak, originates from Great Himalayan ranges in Nepal. It is formed by union of Kali and Trishuli River. The next river, that is river Kosi, also known as Sapt Koshi for its 7 Himalayan tributaries. It is an antecedent transboundary river flowing through Nepal and India. It is the largest tributary of Ganga, joins it at Kursela in Kathiawar district. The highest peak in the world, that is Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga, are situated in Kosi catchment area. Bagmati is an important tributary of river Kosi. Kosi is considered the sorrow of Bihar because of its unstable nature attributed to heavy silt as it carries during the monsoon season. Namami Gange Yojana, it integrates the efforts to clean and protect river Ganga in comprehensive manner. Its prime focus will be on involving people living on the river banks in this project. Officially, it is known as Integrated Ganga Conservation Mission Project or Namami Ganga Yojana, implemented by National Mission for Clean Ganga (NMCG). Its state counterpart organization, that is State Program Management Group (SPMGs). It is operated under Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Regeneration under Ministry of Jal Shakti. It will cover 8 states, 47 towns, and 12 rivers under the project. The pollution will be checked through the process of bioremediation method, in situ treatment, through municipal waste and effluent treatment, PPP approach for pollution control, public-private partnership approach for pollution control. 4 battalion of Territorial Army Ganga Eco Task Force is formed to prevent pollution. Other initiatives like Ganga Action Plan under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in 1985. The Ganga Action Plan to improve the water quality by interception, diversion and treatment of domestic sewage. The next initiative, the National River Conservation Plan. It is an extension to Ganga Action Plan. The next initiative, the National River Ganga Basin Authority (NRGBA) under Environmental Protection Act 1986 declared the Ganga as National River of India. Bhuvan Ganga web app, involvement of public in monitoring of the pollution of River Ganga. Ban on waste disposal under NGT, National Green Tribunal. So we have now covered Ganga river system in a very comprehensive manner. इससे ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता आपको कुछ जानने की ज़रूरत है. इसका PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. Link is mentioned in the description. See you in the next. All the best for prelims 2024. Only 343 days are left. कुछ भी लगे, if you have any doubt or any query, you can comment and I'll make sure I reply to it. All the best. Thank you.